Today we are going to know about the efforts made by Government of India towards higher education. As we know that after US and China, India has the higher education system in the world, and the British government used this system as a tool of cultural colonization, right? So what is the vision behind which Government of India is working to improve the higher education? That is to realize India's human resource potential to its fullest in the higher education sector with equity and inclusion. And its mission is to provide greater opportunities of access to higher education with equity to all the eligible person, and in particular to the vulnerable section, and to expand access by supporting existing institutions, establishing new institutions, supporting state governments and non-government organization or civil society, initiate policies and programs for strengthening research and innovation, and to encourage institutions, whether public or private, to engage in stretching the frontiers of knowledge, and to promote the quality of higher education by investing in infrastructure and faculty, promoting academic reforms, improving governance and institutional restructuring towards the inclusion of the deprived community. And its objective means the objective of the Government of India towards expanding higher education and to promote higher education is to expand institutional base of higher education by creating additional capacity in existing institution, and to by establishing new institution and incentivizing state government and non-government organization to provide opportunities of higher education to socially deprived communities. And what is the function of Government of India for promoting higher education? That is to improve quality and to promote academic reforms, that is to setting up of new educational institution, and also capacity expansion and improvement of the existing institutions, use of technology in higher education, development of vocational education and skill development, development of Indian languages, international collaboration in the field of education. So what are the schemes and efforts that Government of India has made to promote education, especially higher education? First is Rashtriya Uchchatar Shiksha Abhiyan, RUSA, National Initiative for Design Innovation, National Research Professorship, NRP, establishment of new central universities, Indira Gandhi National Tribal Universities. These are the very famous schemes. Apart from all these schemes, there are schemes like scheme for incentivizing state government for expansion of higher education institution, central sector interest subsidy scheme 2009 on model education loan scheme of IBA, construction of girls hostel, supporting uncovered state universities and colleges, additional assistance to about 160 already covered in universities and about 5,500 colleges, strengthening science-based higher education and research in universities, inter-universities research institute for policy and evaluation. So over the last 2 decades, India has remarkably transformed its higher education landscape. It has created widespread access to low-cost, higher-quality university education for students of all level, with well-planned expansion and a student-centric learning-driven model of education. India has not only bettered its enrollment number but has dramatically enhanced its learning outcomes. So that's all about efforts made by Government of India towards higher education. And for more videos, and if you liked my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.